Think living sustainably in a city is hard? Think again. Today, we embark on a journey to transform your urban space into a green haven. From the kitchen to the living room, we'll explore 6 easy, eco-friendly practices. We'll delve into the basics of reducing, reusing, and recycling, the benefits of green cleaning products, the magic of energy-efficient lighting, the joy of indoor plants, the importance of water conservation, and the power of supporting local and sustainable. Ready to embark on your sustainable living journey? Let's dive into the first step. Starting with the basics, it's time to reduce, reuse, and recycle. This isn't just a catchy slogan, it's a lifestyle choice with real-world impact. Every item we reuse or recycle keeps waste out of our landfills and oceans, and conserves natural resources. Consider this. Recycling just one aluminum can saves enough energy to power your television for 3 hours. That's not small change, my friends. So let's commit to making a difference. One can, one bottle, one piece of paper at a time. Remember, every little bit counts, even one can make a difference. Next up, swap out those harsh chemicals for green cleaning products. They're not just better for our planet, but also safer for you and your loved ones. Think about it. Less pollution, less harm. Making the switch to green cleaning products is a win-win situation. Now let's shed some light on energy efficiency. Consider replacing those old light bulbs with LEDs. Not only do they outlast traditional bulbs, but they also use less energy, leaving a smaller carbon footprint and reducing your electricity bills. Lighting the way to a more sustainable future has never been easier. Bringing nature indoors is our next step. Indoor plants not only purify the air but also help reduce stress. They add a vibrant touch of green, enhancing your living space aesthetically. With indoor plants, your urban home can be a green haven. Water is a precious resource. Let's learn how to conserve it. Simple tweaks like fixing drippy faucets, installing low-flow shower heads, and remembering to turn off the tap while brushing can save gallons of water each day. Every drop counts in the fight against water wastage. Last but not least, support local and sustainable products. When we choose to buy from local businesses, we're not only bolstering our local economy, but we're also reducing transportation emissions. That's right. Fewer miles traveled means fewer greenhouse gases released. Plus, local goods are often produced in more eco-friendly ways, respecting both people and planet. So, let's make our purchases count for our community and our environment. Supporting local is not just about economy, it's about sustainability too. And there you have it. 6 easy steps to start your sustainable living journey in the city. We've covered everything from recycling, switching to eco-friendly cleaning products, using energy-efficient lighting, adding indoor plants, conserving water to supporting local and sustainable businesses. But remember, this is just the beginning. Hit that subscribe button and join us on the Help the People Now channel for more tips and tricks on living green in an urban environment. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.